My name is Demi Famodile. I'm with Healthcare Service Corporation. We've been using FMS Workplace now for several years, prior to my joining the company actually. And we have the Move module, the maintenance module, project module, asset management, space management. And I think one thing I personally like with the modules is the seamless integration. You're able to pull in your spaces into service requests, moves, and integrate seamlessly as well with our HR system. So we have nightly integrations that pull data from HR and updates that data. And one other thing I particularly like is the ability to have the historical trail where we can go back and do analytics and reporting. So it's been a great experience working with FM systems and our business partners. Benefits of using the product: we've had ability to open up the system to end users across our organization. People are easily able to get into the system, submit a workplace ticket, and it gets routed to whoever needs to work on the ticket. It minimizes the amount of time people actually send out emails or making a phone call or trying to find out who to reach out to. So we have that one-stop place for our moves and our maintenance, and if people need to look up spaces and all of that information, it's available to our users. So I think that's one great benefit that we've been able to get out of having FMS Workplace.